There's love in every bit of the mishmash. The Gisele Mishmash!
Hi, it's me, Gisele. I'm just getting ready to celebrate the new year. The new year shall be here in just a couple of days. And the new year shall be the year 2021. That's right, 2021. Some people say 2021. 2021, what a big number. Now we're saying goodbye to the year 2020. Goodbye, 2020. We are welcoming in and celebrating 2021. And we shall celebrate with a whole mishmash of New Year fun. Ooh, yeah. Let's get art smart by making a fireworks celebration painting with empty toilet paper rolls. And you also need safety scissors, a piece of paper, and a paintbrush with water and paints. So, to make your fireworks celebration painting, the first thing you do is you take your safety scissors and a toilet paper roll, and then you cut little slits at one end of the toilet paper roll, like this. Okay, just make a little space between every slit. There we go. All the way around one end, like that. You do the same thing with your other toilet paper roll. This is a simple and fun painting. I always like simple and fun. Okay, so, stuck on my thumb, them safety scissors. Okay, so now what you do is this is so fun. You spread out the slits like this. See that? Isn't that neat? Okay, so you do that with your toilet paper rolls. If you only have one toilet paper roll, you can still make the fireworks celebration painting. Okay, so once you have your toilet paper rolls with your funny little slits and spread them out like so, you spread out some paint, okay? So I have yellow paint and red paint, but really any colors will do. So there we go. Now this is easily done on plates, I find, because it's easy to spread them out. So I take my paintbrush like this, and there you go. I spread the paint. Okay, there's the yellow paint. Okay, and then, I'm just gonna rinse my paintbrush and then spread out the red paint. Okay, yeah, just like that. Okay, and now, you take your piece of paper. I have this peachy orange piece of paper, but really, you can choose any color of paper. Okay, so this is what you do, it's so much fun. You take your little fireworks stampers, I guess they're called, and you dip them into the paint. Like this. And then, you press them down. And there, let's try again. There are your fireworks exploding in the sky. It's actually a lot of fun to do. There we go. Oh, look at those beautiful fireworks everywhere. What happens if I drag them a bit? Oh yeah, I could even swirl them. Ooh, that's nice too. Ooh, that's a great idea. Swirl them. Oh, that is gorgeous. There's my fireworks celebration painting. These are fireworks that are exploding in the sky. You might see these on a happy holiday celebration.
Are you ready to get fit? Are you ready to get healthy? Are you ready to build those muscles? Are you ready to click-clock? Yes! All right, let's do this. Well, it's a new year, so let's stomp out the old year. That's right, let's stomp out 2020. What a year it has been. All right, so let's squish it out. That's it. Twist it and squish out 2020. Come on with me now. Yeah, let's get rid of 2020. And now, let's welcome in 2021. That's right. The new year shall be 2021. So, let's welcome in the new year. That's it. Come on in, 2021. Welcome it in. Yeah, from side to side, let's welcome it in. I see you. Welcome in the new year. Oh, yeah. All right. And let's jump for joy because it's a new year. So jump. That's it. Jump for joy. Yeah. Ooh, jump up and down. Ah, yeah. What a great new year. Yeah. Okay. And now let's click-clock. Let's click-clock by doing the New Year dance. Yeah. All right. So dance like it's a new year. Oh, yeah. Okay. And dance. Right on. Oh, let me see you dance. Oh, yeah, it's a new year. Oh, right on. A new year. All right. And that's it for Click Clock. Let's thank our muscles. Thank you, muscles. Yeah.
Because it's a new year, it's fun to think of ways to keep doing our best. So let's write a list of ways to be our best. So how can we be our best? Well, we can exercise because exercise is healthy for our bodies. So I will draw a ball to remind me to exercise. How else can we be our best? Well, we can tidy up because cleaning and tidying is helpful. So I shall draw a mop to remind me to tidy up. How else can we be our best? We can eat healthy because eating healthy is good for our bodies, right? So I shall draw a banana to remind me to eat healthy. And are there any other ideas that you have for doing our best? Reading. Reading is healthy for our brains. So I shall draw a book to remind me to read. Well, that is a big list for the new year that's coming in 2 days. The year 2021. You know what? I'm gonna start practicing to be my best for 2021. Where shall I start? Exercise. All right, that's it. I'm gonna start practicing my exercise. Whoa! This feels great. I can't wait for 2021. This last year was the year 2020. Now, the year 2020 was very different than most years. For reasons like we needed to start washing our hands a lot, and people started wearing masks. Well, the year 2020 will always be one of my most favorite years because it's the year that I met you here in the Gisele Mishmash. And I look forward to seeing you again here in 2021. Okay, so let's complete our celebration by practicing to count backwards from 10 to start the new year. Are you ready to count backwards from 10? Okay, let's do this. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Oh, I wish you a mishmash of love for the year 2021. Woo! See you in 2021.